How cool is that? World's largest. We're about to go under Mount Rushmore. Okay, so we're located in the Black Hills, and that is Mount Rushmore, completed in 1941. All we're seeing is the profile of George Washington, because we're at a little pullout here that gives you a picture opportunity to take the profile. So here we go. Now let's go see the rest of them. Here we are. I just had to climb some stairs, so I'm out of breath. So we've got George Washington, our first president, Thomas Jefferson, our third, Theodore Roosevelt, our 26th, and Abraham Lincoln, our 16th. It's supposed to be a symbol of freedom and hope, and to bring tourism into South Dakota, because boy, they need the help, right? Even though we think it's gorgeous here. There's a secret room behind Lincoln that holds American historical information from 1776 to 1906. One other fact is that, yes, we did steal this land. The government did. U.S. government stole this land from the Lakota tribe. And the Lakota tribe took the U.S. government to court in the 20s and won, but it took decades. 1980, or in the 80s sometime, they won $17.6 million for land theft. Okay, fun fact about Mount Rushmore, as the dog's trying to get away from me, I can't get this retractable leash to lock up. You can't take your dog past that wall there, right there. They call it a column. So all these people sitting on the bench right here in front of me all have dogs, and they're waiting for their other halves to come back from touring it. So we've just had to split our visit. Oh yeah, they have helicopter tours, as you can hear. It's pretty neat, the carvings. They're about 60 feet tall, each face. Remember, Crazy Horse Memorial is 27 feet bigger than them. That's still pretty neat. But that's our extent of Rushmore visit. Well, Mount Rushmore was beautiful. The carving's really neat. I don't like that we stole land from the Indians, but how about Crazy Horse's rebuttal, right? Jimbo just made that point. You know, it's not far from here. We could see it on our drive here. But now we're gonna go stop at another Dahl's chainsaw place just at the other side of Mount Rushmore's entrance. And it's got a world's largest too. It's not Smokey the Bear though, so just you wait. That's right, the world's largest Bigfoot. Let's go see him. Yeah, look at that. Look at how cute they've got bears hanging from the trees. There was this orange squirrel right behind me when I'm not used to orange squirrels. Check that Bigfoot out from a better picture perspective. How cool is that? World's largest. Here at Dahl's Chainsaw Art. Another giant chair. I think this is the bigger one. Bears and eagles. All right, let's go catch up to Jimbo. Looks so neat. Huh? Oh, he's holding on to the flagpole. So all the sounds you hear in the background are chainsaws currently making art. There's a big Indian holding an eagle. Kneeling. Ripley's Believe It or Not. The sister to this eagle bike is featured at Ripley's Believe It or Not in Baltimore, Maryland. How neat. Oh, so intricate. What talent, huh? Oh, an even bigger Indian. He is the eagle. Oh, he's got the feathers strapped to his arms. A carousel of Sasquatch. I think this is what he meant by eagles and bears. Welcome. Oh, that's a tractor back there. That's not a chainsaw at all. Oh, this one has blue eyes. Welcome. Wow. Oh, a little kitty. A little kitty and a big kitty. Oh, nice bench. Wow. I like that. Oh, it's a bison dressed up. The buffalo. He's wearing buffalo check, so I gather he's a buffalo. Doesn't that tractor know I'm trying to shoot something? Sold. Well, that's nice. They give away the extra little scraps. Free firewood. There's somebody doing a pelican right now. And there's something around this scaffolding, or in between all this scaffolding is another project. I know, right? A minion for Loretta. Oh, look at that smile. He is kind of creepy. Cardinal's pretty. Wow. Look at that. Even the small tables, wow. Holy moly, 12,500. Well, shoot. Please do not sit or lean on tables, but look at those cool stools. Those are awesome. They're $230 a piece. I like that table. Look at the bears hanging from the tree. They got a little store. There's a jackalope and that squirrel. So orange. Sure is some talent though. Look at that. An elk. Dimba just pointed out it's got a real set of antlers. That's cool.